Remember we were talking about Cadillac's flying thing of the future, VTOL. Maybe it's a taxi, maybe it's personal transportation. I didn't realize, but everybody's a lot of players getting into this game. We have flying vehicles shown off by Aston Martin, Hyundai, and now GM at CES. Everyone's thinking super futuristic, Will. And it got me thinking about Tesla, and I was like, they got to show off some flying things soon.
Tesla.
Yeah. They got to I'm sure they already are, but Elon, if you're listening, just scratch together something real quick, put like 4 or 5 guys on it, just do a mock-up and be like, yeah, fly, it's going to fly. 8 years, that's going to fly.
Well, they have experience with SpaceX.
That's right.
They know propulsions.
Sure. Well, this thing, it's important to note, this is more of a quadcopter than anything else.
Yeah.
Right? Self-balancing. It's like a drone, but bigger, that you fit into and way more futuristic looking. But that's what I'm saying is like so much of this now is around hype. So much of this now is around the future and being excited about the future and wanting to invest in the future. When GM showed this off, the stock went up because people were like, yeah, flying cars, where are they already? I'm glad somebody's showing them to me. And so it's more important now than ever to be transparent about this stuff and to show designs earlier and just try to get people excited about your brand and your future products. And it seems that that's what they've been able to achieve with their particular flying vehicle here. We have some more specs on it as well. It's apparently going to use its 4 rotors to travel at 56 miles per hour. All right. That's not really that fast, but I guess from a safety perspective, you're up above the traffic. It's definitely can still be useful. If you think about a taxi, how fast is it normally traveling? Not more than 56 miles per hour, unless you're on a highway. And you're up above the traffic, and you're floating. So if you're in an air taxi, I don't think you're mad that you're only going 56.
No, you'll be laughing at all the people driving cars.
Yeah, that's right. That's exactly what you're going to do. So anyway, General Motors is this is one of the rare cases where they're kind of ahead of the game here and showing off some cool stuff. Now, speaking of Tesla, who I was calling on earlier to just show me they could use styrofoam. Well, I don't care. Just say, look, it's going to 8 years from now, that's going to fly. I mean, that's kind of what happened with the Roadster. If the Roadster was out, I never would have been buying that Taycan. I'm talking about the Tesla Roadster, the new one.
The 2.0?
Is that what it's called? 2.0?
Yeah.
I'm talking 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. I'm talking the red one that they showed off, which feels like 1 billion years ago now. My God, yeah, look how cool that thing is. When did they first show that off? I'll take the white one right there. I would have never bought that Taycan if that thing existed.
Yeah.
So, anyway, show us something in the flying department as well. You don't have to deliver it right away.